What's up, fools? Welcome back to Cooking with Tim and shit. Sunday is my cheat day, and that means I like to slide in the DMs of every girl I see on the internet.
You what?
I mean, that's where I like to indulge in some decadent meals. So today's recipe is going to be maple cinnamon rolls. I'm going to make these Trader Joe's organic cinnamon rolls. Organic means they're good for you. I'm not going to show you how to make these because there's directions right on the container. And if you're too stupid to follow those, then my video can't help you. What we are going to focus on in this video is making this maple glaze. And that brings me to a problem with these cooking videos I see. I looked high and low to find a maple glaze recipe on YouTube. And all I find are these 9-10 minute videos of these people telling you, oh, it was the greatest summer of my life. I just graduated from college. Spent the summer in Milan, Italy. Nobody gives a shit what you did. Just tell us how to make the fucking maple icing already. Let's review a couple of those videos. Let's check out this recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharani. Today
I'm out.
I have a sweet treat.
There's no way I could listen to that for 8 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey guys. No, let's check out another video.
Hi everybody, my name is Dan.
Hey,
and
Dan.
welcome to my kitchen for another quick episode of Man Cave. Today we're going to be tackling maple glaze. It's going to go perfect for any kind of donut.
Don't tell me what I want to put it on. That's why I clicked here.
Or waffle cake that's coming
Waffle
up soon
cakes.
here on Man
Ooh,
Cave.
inside. That's
It's
between
gonna be
me and
real
you.
quick. It's
Waffle
gonna be
cakes.
delicious.
Today we're gonna make
It's
cinnamon rolls.
Perfection. You
Oh
guys
my
are going to love
gosh.
it. All
Look,
the
he's still
ingredients
talking.
and the
I
directions
can't do
are
it
down
anymore.
below
Sorry,
in the
Dan.
description,
Maybe next time you get to the
along with
point
that
and I'll
subscribe
watch your
button.
video,
So if you
okay?
click that-
Okay, last video. I need a cool intro song like that. This is good. I have high hopes for this one.
I'm a big fan of real maple syrup,
Just waste no time. She's a big fan of real maple syrup, and she wants you to know that.
but I'll admit that it has its limitations.
Right.
It's great for pouring over waffles and pancakes, but because it's so runny, I can't enjoy that maple flavor on everything I'd like to, like toast or scones or crackers.
I'm sorry, are they pouring maple syrup on the graham crackers? Man, I'm a fat boy, but I have my limitations. I would never do anything like this. Come on.
Or a peanut butter sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
You get the idea. Wouldn't it be great if there were a firmer, more spreadable form of maple?
Yes, it would be great.
Well, there is. Maple cream. Maple cream is just maple syrup that's been cooked to a high temperature, then cooled a bit, then beaten with a spoon until it forms a thick mass of
She needs to
crystals
be
that are
beaten
so
with the spoon.
tiny
She doesn't
that
get
your
to the
tongue
point.
doesn't really. That way,
I'm sorry.
you can switch off
I think
on
I
the
just died
stirring
of
if your
boredom.
arm
Is she
gets
still
tired.
talking?
On the other hand, that means you'll have to share.
On the other hand, you'll have to share. She's telling jokes now? I think she needs to work on her timing a little bit. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side? What is this, a stand-up comedy special or a recipe for maple cream? Come on, let's get to the point here.
The surest results use grade A maple syrup here. You really want to keep an eye on the syrup once it's boiling. If you get overconfident and walk away, I promise you that the syrup is going to take offense and boil over just to teach you a lesson. Cook the syrup without disturbing it until the temperature registers 235 degrees. This will take about 16 to 18 minutes.
16, 18
I usually
minutes.
continue to heat and monitor. Now quickly pour the hot syrup into the saucepan with the prepared ice bath and let it cool without stirring for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes. So
Once
we're
the
already at
syrup
a
has
half
cooled
hour
to
for
about
making this
100
maple
degrees, remove. Speed isn't as important as maintaining a constant, steady pace. Over time, anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, the syrup
cream.
starts
So you're going to have to
lighten in
stir
color.
this for 5
This
to
is the
15
crystal
minutes. Just
structure
look how
starting
thick
to
that
form.
is. And you're going to do this for
My
5 to
arm
15
is usually
minutes.
getting a bit tired at this point, so I'm always cheered by this. It means that the maple cream is about halfway there.
This better be the
When it
best
starts to lose
tasting
its shine
maple
and feel like a thick
cream
but
in the
pourable
world
batter
to go
and
through
is the
this
color
much
of
effort.
tahini,
This is already
you
at
can stop
45
stirring.
minutes
Working
with
quickly,
between
it's
cooking,
only
cooling, and
pourable for about
stirring.
30 seconds. Use a rubber
I'm sorry,
spatula.
lady. You're too much work for me. Look, it's not you, it's me. This is not going to work out. Is that giving you anxiety? Does this make you nervous? Any day now. I don't have time to wait for this thing to give me permission to open my cinnamon rolls. Thanks, Trader Joe's. So easy, even a caveman can do it. About this time is when you realize that you need to read the directions again. Now it's time to make that maple glaze I was telling you about. So I'm not going to waste your time like those other people we just saw. Start off by preparing our measurements ahead of time, because once you start this process, you can't really stop. 1/4 cup butter, 1/2 cup light brown sugar. I don't know if regular brown sugar is the same or what the difference is. As long as this sugar is not white, that's all that matters. Start off by melting that butter. And which burner is your favorite? Mine's the top right. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to read every single one of them. It's time to add the butter. Wow. Put your stove on a medium heat. Melting that butter. Now we're going to add our 1/2 cup of non-white sugar. Stirring this in. Now that butter is melted, it's time to add 3 tablespoons of milk. So this is a great time if you have 3 hands, guys. Put that extra hand to use. I'm going to just do all 3 at once. You know what? Let's go crazy. Let's go absolutely crazy. It's my cheat day after all. Now we're going to simmer this on medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. You can see the color is changing. I don't know what that means, but just wanted to point that out. And I think it's dissolved. The next step, we're going to turn off the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. Whoa, how'd I do that? That's special effects. 2 teaspoons of maple extract. 1, 2. We're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar, but you're going to want to do about 1/4 cup at a time. Ooh. You can feel it's starting to thicken up quite a bit now, just like you are. Just put it all in. That nice maple cream, maple glaze right there. It's cheat day, but we're not going to go completely nuts. I'm going to eat some carrots today. You know what? We're adults. We can do whatever we want. Let's see how this maple tastes on a carrot. There's literally no rules to being an adult. I can make a cake right now and eat the whole thing. No one can stop me. You see this powdered sugar is spilled everywhere. Here's a little life hack. Use a dust crust bin. Now, wasn't that easy? Just like you are. Just add a little decorative touch on top. Look how beautiful those, don't those look delicious? Now, isn't that pretty? Okay, I admit, it may not be the best looking cinnamon roll, but neither am I, and look how far I've made it in life. I know what you're probably thinking. Hey Tim, just stick to making those stupid YouTube videos and leave the baking to someone else. So next time, I'm definitely going to add a little more milk at the end, as this texture is much easier to deal with than the peanut butter-like texture you see here. But you know what? I'm not going to make another batch and then claim that I did it all right the first time. If there's one thing this channel stands for, it stands for integrity. So here are the cinnamon rolls I made. They may not be perfect, but you know what? They're real and they taste good. I'm not going to hide behind my YouTube screen like you and cast judgments on everybody. This is me. If you don't deserve me at my too thick maple glaze, then you don't deserve me at all. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my maple cinnamon roll recipe. I'm going to sit around and eat these to the point I hate myself. So until next time, thanks for watching, and diabetes.